Over the last couple of months, I started investing in curly hair tools and accessories that were newer to me. Some of them I've had on my wish list for a really long time. Some of them I just found by luck, and others are just recommendations from some of my curly friends. So I thought I would compile this list of the curly hair tools and accessories that I never knew I needed up until now and share them with you. So let's dive deep into this list and get started. So this brush was created by celebrity hairstylist Felicia Leatherwood due to the lack of detangling tools on the market that were actually flexible and moved. The open-ended design on this will help provide fluid movement so that your hair isn't being ripped from the scalp. Now, I kind of swore off most of these detangling brushes because I was noticing so much hair shed, but after trying this one, I noticed there isn't nearly as much hair in my brush. Her brush comes in assorted colors, and she also carries travel size brushes. Next on the list is CAMRYN'S BFF Gentle Edges Brush. Now, I rarely pull my hair back into any high tension styles, but when I do, I use this double-sided edge brush, and it has a comb on one side and a brush on the other, and it uses 100% boar bristles. Now, I used to use an older toothbrush, but what I noticed is that there's just all of these new edge brushes out there, and they're all double-sided, and I really wanted to just update an old toothbrush. So the brush side is good for smoothing larger sections of the hair, and the comb is great for detailing. What I do like about doing my edges in general is it creates the illusion that my hairline isn't nearly as thin as it looks around my temples. If I was to just slick my hair all the way back, it would really make my thinning edges more prominent, but by smoothing the hair a little forward, it kind of fakes the fullness a little bit. Next on the list is my Glow by Daye Deep Conditioning Thermal Heat Cap. Now, this is another item that I was just sleeping on. A thermal heat cap is now part of my weekly deep conditioning treatments. Why? Because it really does help your conditioners penetrate better. I have low porosity hair and my cuticle is so flat, so this heat just helps open it back up. You can get this on Amazon, but I think the originator of this is Hot Heads, and you can get it from their website, and I think they might also sell on Etsy. It's filled with flax seeds, it's reversible, and it's microwavable. So how you're going to use this is you're just going to pop that baby into the microwave and put it on after you've applied your deep conditioner or an oil treatment. And of course, you're going to put on a plastic shower cap before so you don't transfer the treatments onto the cap. It stays warm for about 30 minutes and it will literally turn your hair to silk. So in the past, I've always just used a comb to remove excess hair from my brushes, but I found this two-piece set hairbrush cleaner and I really like it. The bigger one is double-sided with a comb on one side and it has the bristles on the other side. I think it does a really good job of getting the majority of the hair out of your brush. But they also have the smaller brush, which is really good for pulling up the fine and hard to reach hairs, and also it's just a great travel option. The next item on this list was something I saw Hi Felicia have, and I decided that I must have it too. It's available on Amazon and it's called the Tezam Head Massager. Now, there are many reasons why this is one of my top items on this list. One major reason I love this is because it provides major stimulation to my scalp during my nightly scalp massages. Sure, I could just use my fingers to massage, but the vibrations on this are so soothing that it relaxes me before bedtime. It's got long octopus-like fingers on it and smooth edges so it doesn't get caught up in your hair. It also has a curved hand to fit perfectly on the scalp. This is also really great for creating volume after your hair is freshly washed and styled. And lastly, if you have a headache, it can really help soothe it. This is an older hair tool that I kind of slept on. I've had shampoo brushes in the past, but this one is so much better. It's the VitaGood Scalp Massaging Shampoo Brush. Unlike my past shampoo brush, which had plastic bristles, this one has soft, flexible silicone bristles and it vibrates. What a game changer. It feels so good to use this on my scalp. It helps suds up my shampoo, helps with headaches, lifts up dirt and impurities, and it's super easy to hold. Next are the Curly Hair Solutions Quick Dry Styling Gloves. These are by far the most interesting of the curly hair tools I recently purchased. They are hair drying gloves that are made from a super absorbent microweave fiber. They are 20 times more absorbent than a microfiber towel or regular cotton towel. I was a little concerned about the material, I won't lie, because I've always used really soft microfiber towels, t-shirts, paper towels to absorb excess water and product from my hair. However, after applying my stylers, I was extremely impressed that I didn't notice excess frizz. Also, you can totally tell that they are absorbent right away. After a little scrunching, I can feel the moisture on my hands through the gloves. This is also helpful because they help cut down on the time you will use a blow dryer or diffuse your hair. Another random accessory that I never knew I needed until now are these hair coils. These are by the brand Kitsch. They have been around for a really long time, but I guess I thought they were always going to get stuck in my hair, so I never tried them. The truth is, they don't get stuck in your hair. They're gentle. They don't leave a lot of marks or creases. They're water resistant, they avoid hair breakage, and they're for all hair types. What I love about them is that they expand with your ponytail, so they won't be really tight unless of course you're going to double it up, but I don't. If your hair is on the longer or thicker side, your hair will expand with it. If you've been wearing your hair in a constant messy bun, or you're just always having your hair slicked back, let me show you how you can quickly level up. This bow sash by The Hair Edit can turn a messy or even just a pulled back bun into polished in less than a minute. It's just your everyday scrunchie with a bow attached that can hang below your bun or onto your ponytail. It literally takes just a few seconds and then boom, you're ready to go. Well, that's gonna wrap up this list. I have to hear from you guys now. What items on this list are you dying to try out, and what did I forget? What do you think I need to try out next? Tell me about those tools and accessories down below in the comments. If you're new to my fine curly crew, I'd love to have you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're properly notified of when I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.